Alright, howdy y'all. This is Nick back with another house project video, and I just decided I would document how much this tree has moved since last weekend, which you can kind of see a difference. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, of course, yeah, I got that. And then this board right here is kind of moved downward a bit and kind of collapsed.
There's a lot more pressure on this.
So, yep, and there's a lot more.
There's a little more
Pressure on that. And so I'm gonna, in this video, I'm probably just we're gonna work on taking care of this tree. And we'll see from there what we do later on, but I'll just video whatever we do. Alright, see you then.
What do you think's gonna happen?
It'll just come off. I don't think
Is it gonna smash down?
anything will change. That's not really that big of a limb.
So it's gonna go crashing down on that car, or at least on that tree. So, well, that's fucking good. This damn thing is not stable enough for me. Come on, fucker. Got even my own weight shifting this thing. Look at that. This thing's not sitting down straight. Well, I don't know. But this here ladder became uncooperative. I think it broke.
Yeah, the bottom legs of it are rotted out.
I have to put it like a brick under it.
I'm watching.
Split right here. See, that is what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Coming down wildly and then backing into us. Give me
Yeah?
someone calling you?
No? I'm just, okay. one limb down. Oh, that just snapped. Okay, we got that one.
I'd appreciate you not pouring down that lattice.
Yeah, I'm trying. It got caught.
So don't let it get caught. And if it gets caught, don't yank any lattice.
Okay.
Really ought to try the notch thing. Just ought to cut it.
Wow. Shit.
Okay.
Oh, brittle. That just freaking split in half. Other dumb limb that's just junk. And there goes another one. And another one.
Yep.
Okay.
So I would start sawing horizontally. Yeah. minutes of hard labor.
Yeah.
Just get it sliding.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So my recommendation, Nick,
What?
is maybe get off that ladder. Well, whatever it is.
What
The
is
hell
it?
you call it thing? Cinder block?
Yeah.
So that when it falls, it doesn't go right down your knees and your shins. Kind of reposition it maybe. There you go. That's good. Can you move that block to the right a little more? And kind of get it, is it flat?
Yeah, that's good.
And hold on, one more thing. Let me just, can I put it on pause?
You can't pause it. Just
Alright.
keep recording it.
All right. And try to protect the window. There. All right. It's about to drop. Awesome. That would have been your toes.
There you go. Nice.
There we go. So Nick promised that he wouldn't get injured. Little bites. So he's going to take one of those big limbs. Look at that big limb. No, seems like it's going to roll. But I guess we can figure it out when you get down to that point, you know, where, you know, everything's ready to go. Now keep in mind it might pivot on you. It might want to rotate up into your face.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay. So what's happening? What do you see? Is a gap? Is it?
No, the gap's not growing.
All right.
I still got ways to go.
6 minutes. You hearing things cracking?
Yeah.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I think it's gonna roll over that way, but
I think the heaviest part is your end. So where it pivots, right up there. I don't know. if it's going to try to balance and balance horizontally, or if it's going to just fall or what. Alright, you're going to have to just slide it, chopping at it.
What?
Don't chop at it. Take a break. It's 9 minutes. You're gonna... Nick, you're bending the blade. I know you're getting tired. So raise it up. There you go. Gap's open now.
Yeah. Hold on, give me a second.
Just use the saw. And where you're at, all right? Move those blocks.
Backward?
Just get them out of your way. Don't kick them. Pick them up, move them. Don't. You need them later. All right. Now you're in good position. Just saw the damn thing.
I can't saw it.
Oh, come on. You want me to finish it?
No,
Well, then saw. Don't pull it on top of you. Just saw. Back and forth, back and forth. Is it stuck?
Yeah, it's stuck.
All right. What do you want me to do?
Just keep recording.
All right. Well, I'm standing here doing nothing but holding the camera. I could probably.
The problem is the tree wants to go this way.
Which way? Which way?
That way. That way.
All right. Well, what can you do? I wouldn't be so Nicholas. Hey. Okay, you're gonna push it this way?
Yeah.
You're pulling on it. All right, good luck. Alright.
Need a fucking chainsaw for this.
Why don't we just lift it? Why don't I help you? Right? Shouldn't I help you? Shouldn't I? I could help you, Nick. Do you know what you... Hey, will you... Look what you're doing.
Watch, I almost got it off.
Yeah, I know, but you're standing on your hood, putting dents in your hood. Why don't you stop? Hey. Stop and let me help you lift the darn thing without ruining the hood anymore.
Okay, well, hold on. One more. Push.
Whatever. Alright, look at you, you bonehead. Oh, God.
Give me a second. One more.
King Kong. right. Okay, Goldie, can I help? All right, there you go. I'll sit here and watch. You're putting dents in your car.
I don't care.
Why don't you stop and care?
What? Oh, rotten piece of shit anyway.
What is?
That car.
You're not gonna do anything with it? You're gonna junk it?
Okay. I'm done. No. You can turn it off.
Always horizontal. Here we go.
And it's a big fat red button.
It's a big fat C.
Yeah, there we go.
Am I doing it? All right, so
Yeah, you
7
got it.
seconds. All right. Alrighty. Can't see. There we go.
Okay.
Should I keep going or?
Yeah, keep going. Now we gotta carry
Should I stop
this
now?
huge log out. Yeah, you can stop now.
There you go.
Yeah, hit the
Can
stop button.
I've got a here. Hold the saw.
Finger.
And then